What's up everyone, it's Jason from Waterfall Overland. Today we're taking two fully built diesel Jeep Gladiators deep into the backcountry on a rough, rocky trail most people would not even attempt in a stock truck. We're chasing a hidden waterfall that almost nobody knows about. This is going to be a proper overlanding adventure. Oh, and my Gladiator? We've got the brand new Lone Peak V2 camper mounted up, and we're putting it to the real test. Rough trails, tight switchbacks, and primitive camping. Expect thunderstorms, deep mud, epic views, and a hidden waterfall at the end of the trail. So if you love diesel Jeeps, overlanding, and finding secret spots most people never see, stick around. This is going to be one awesome trip. Let's go. And I didn't bring the hot water heater or the diesel heater this trip. Low is only supposed to be like 60 as the low, so not really worried about that. Frees up a bunch of room for firewood, which we'll lose the first night anyway. Just one night. I haven't seen Steve's rig in like, God, probably September, October last year. But it looks like he had the open road awning put on. It's the same one I run. Looks like Ryan made a custom bracket for it. I like the window. And that's a good idea. Hang that little clips on there. External propane. I think this is new too. I wonder how he mounted that. He doesn't mind if I open. Oh, that's why he's got the plastic up there. Okay, so it goes all the way through. It goes all the way through to the molly panel. And he's got his fridge in the back. They're both at Ingles shopping. So you can see the fender delete. It definitely makes the Jeep look a lot taller. I got to get with them about this stuff. See how it's starting to peel? A lot of it peeled off right here and right here. So I know that was a kit with the vents. American Adventure Labs lights. I think it just lifts it up because I believe he's still on the 37 12.5s, but they just look a lot bigger because skinny tires. But we're just waiting on Steve and then we'll be out of here. So the thing about Sarah's Creek is that it is one lane in a lot of the spots with minimal pull-offs. So especially this first start, you gotta look ahead, but it's pretty much a long climb up, and I'm glad they put these fences up right here because you have some people trying to bring really big RVs up here and it's just not made for it. Run me over.
What's up?
Time to get back around. It's already all the way down. I got you, bro.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Could have caused a puncture.
When was the last time you were up here? Same time? Probably what, about over a year ago? No, about this time last year.
I haven't been back since last time I was here with you. I don't even know. Well, we came when it snowed, but I don't remember. We didn't camp down here. I don't think, did we?
No, you can actually do that.
We camped off of Earl's Ford when it snowed. I think that was the last time we were up here because the gate was closed. We were going to come up here, but that gate on the road was closed. So I think the last time we were here was with Ray when Ray had the tent, the ground tent. And I think, did Satish come with us on that one? I don't remember.
I haven't seen Satish in, it's been years. I think the first time I camped with Ray was when we went in North Carolina when I brought my buddy Paul. So I wasn't here when he had a ground tent.
Last time I was here, I think it was when with Ray. So yeah, it's probably been a while. I see a cooler in the back, but I don't see any camping gear.
Hopefully not.
This was the rutted out section up here. It looks like they went through it with the bulldozer.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this is it right here. So, do you notice a big difference with the brake?
So the buddy of mine who did it, and he said he hated it at first because it takes a little bit to break in, and I could see that, but it's already like, I could tell the difference. But at first you're not going to like it. Like, it's going to feel like a lot worse. But then once the pads seat in, I haven't bled the ABS module. I think I'm going to do that when I get back, because I still got to put those brake lines on the front.
Gotcha. Right now, can you feel it? Well, I'm sure you're not hitting the brake now, but you can tell the difference. Braking.
Yeah, it definitely has more clamping power.
Were you off sausage?
Got to our favorite spot down here, and as you can see, we got a fallen tree. I'm gonna cut it right there just to make room. Got a creek down here the kids love to play in. Some firewood. Someone left some firewood too. But we've camped here a couple dozen times, probably 2 or 3 dozen times throughout the last 7 years. This is one of our favorite spots. But keep the chainsaw up here, and we're gonna make short work of that. Major fail. I took out both of my DeWalt batteries to charge them. I didn't put them back in. So there's not a battery in the chainsaw, and there's not a battery in my cordless impact if I have a flat tire. Make a note of that. I'll have to record me setting this up because it literally takes less than 30 seconds. But we're all set up. Got this noise of the creek right here. Got the fan.
Did I have a knife?
No.
I have to go to Boy Scouts for it? I really have to go to Boy Scouts for it?
Got the inside set up. Turn on my USB ports.
That one is across the road. Come on.
I promised myself I would never be one of those YouTube cooking people, but we are having garlic butter hamburgers on the Jetboil Sea to Summit stainless steel pan. We're trying for the first time. I tried doing the cast iron, was not a fan, but got my little bar set up. James, you want 1 hamburger or 2? 2? Ketchup?
Yeah. Just for 1.
Ketchup on 1? Are there any crawdads in there?
No,
Not yet? You guys found a whole bunch last time. Steve's just eating like a damn caveman.
The heathen.
The heathen. That fire pit wasn't here. You can probably pull down right here. It'll be a little bit harder to level, but oh yeah, we're getting there. Fun cleanup there. What do I got in here? Spices, all my utensils, cleanup stuff. I stopped using paper towels and started going with just, I think you can even get these in the States anymore. But Snatch, the clothing company from Australia, they had a nice stainless steel like cups and everything else. And I bought that 3 or 4 years ago before COVID. Seems to be working okay. Let's see. What you got?
We got crawfish and salamanders.
Crawfish and salamanders in the creek.
Stay right there. Maybe I should hold it. Look at that! Look at that!
Where?
Right here! The crawfish.
Oh wow, yeah, I see him.
That is enormously big. Stop! Dada, stop! You're scaring him, Dada.
No, the crawfish hit him. That's right.
Yeah, the crawfish hit him.
Oh. We have to get back over there. You got to get there, Holmes. I don't want that. Oh my god, look how cool that salamander is. I saw a salamander.
Alright, let's just don't touch him or kill him. Yeah, those salamanders may be one of those protected
Let's
ones.
see what's over here.
Yeah.
Got some adult beverages, and we got the Lone Peak cutting board for the s'mores, so the kids don't make a mess all over the back of the tailgate. So I kind of just prepped the s'mores, and then when we're done, slides right back in under the cooking stove. 10-gallon Lone Peak water tank back there. Lone Peak calls it the tank accessory. Just poured it in right here so you can quick disconnect it. Pressure on demand. I gotta make a hook or something for this. Well, it's bedtime. There is a ladder for this that I can start bringing. It's a little bit weird because I have the rear up on blocks right now to level it. But I can jump up on this easily, but I don't know about James. So it's like this. Put you up right here. And crawl up in here. So I'll turn the fan on low. So I do keep a wool blanket under the platform just in case. The low tonight was supposed to be 60, but it seems like it's gonna be a lot cooler tonight. Got my iPad here. I got a holder for it up here that goes into the T slots. so we can watch a movie. I think we're gonna put on.
Bye, guys.
Good night.
Yay. Bedtime. I love bedtime. Ow. We added down.
Alright, so I added this strap so I can pull the tailgate strut. I got a handle up here so I can close this, and then I can lock it. Lock it. And I don't really need to lock that side because you ain't getting through there. Well, we woke up to rain again. But it's alright. I got the awning deployed. I'll start cooking. We slept really good last night. Creekside camps are the best. Today
Yeah, right.
the plan is to just do some trails around here real quick. I guess head home. This rain should let up within the hour.
When party? I'm doing a party.
Yeah. Which car? Yeah. Hey, they got a flat tire. They wonder if we got a plug kit. I got one.
Okay.
We just got back down off of Sarah's Creek, and we are going to head down towards another trail that's kind of in this area. Last time I was on this, I was with Justin in his F-150, and he was three-wheeling this thing through a lot of this, but that hard obstacle up here was like, it was pretty rough for him.
Yeah, I bet. He's on 35s, right?
Yeah, it's on 35s with those Raptor wheels.
I couldn't imagine doing Black Bear Pass. Like, my brake pedal was smashed to the floor back there, and it felt like it wouldn't lock up.
Just now?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be rough doing Black Bear Pass without brakes. I haven't had any problems, obviously, now. But, I mean, Ray did Black Bear in the Power Wagon. Yeah, that's 20 degrees off camber. It's solid bottom. Pretty much driving up a waterfall right now, or a creek, seems like. Alright, this is where it gets technical. I think there's two stages to it, if I remember correctly. There's this part, and then the actual hill climb.
Okay. You might have just scratched your rim right there.
Well, good thing I got those rash rings on it.
You want me to record you from behind?
Yeah, because it comes up this and then it goes right, and then I think it gets technical up there. I have two spots marked out here.
Alright. I'll wait for you to get up top and then I'll go.
You can come to where I'm at now. That's a good stop point. I made it up, and now the rain just started coming down hard, so poor Steve's getting soaked. I'm up under a tree. But we definitely had to use the lockers on this one. There's a big hole right here, and you're trying to climb right there, so you kind of get... I definitely noticed a huge difference with that Terraflex rear sway bar, that 16-inch long travel. It made a huge difference in the way the Jeep is handling off camber. Yeah, you walked up that.
Yeah, baby.
This is what it's all about, guys. Getting out, helping spawn each other, and then just having a blast flexing out over these rocks with your vehicle that, you know, you spend a lot of money on building and camping in, and it's absolutely my favorite hobby. This has been an absolute blast. We kind of got a weird downhill here and another obstacle up here. Down if you want. There's another weird obstacle up here. There's a rock right in the middle of where I'm at. Just watch that. Okay. Just gonna come through on this wolf box camera. Should be just the end of this trail. I don't remember there anything else being technical. It's already noon. We're out of time. I gotta scout some campsites on the way back for one of my Patreon members. They're going on a trip doing the Traverse, and I said I'd try to find them a campsite on the way. And it'll be their way up, but they need something at the start of the Traverse, so almost there anyway, so I'm gonna go check that out. All right, dip your head. What? Dip your head.
Top of the world now. Why are you filming us again? Hello. Hello. Bye, buddy. Hope you find your dad.
All right, we are back from the hike. The secret waterfall hike. So we're gonna go check out a couple spots on the way back home. It's about 2 o'clock. I just gotta be home tonight, so we're gonna go check out a couple spots. This is Burrell's Ford Road. Looks like it had a major fire or a controlled burn recently. I mean, it still smells like fire, so it was definitely definitely this year. Definitely last 30 days. Well, we found one campsite. Someone was there. Looks like there's another one this way. Get it out of four-wheel drive. One little water crossing right here, but I need to come back and explore this area with Steve because it's starting to get technical, and I am technically by myself, so don't want to get into it too hard. And it looks like this could be a campsite. We are at the entrance to Burrel's Ford, which I'm going to end the video here. The sun finally came out after a while, but we're airing up, back up to 35 psi with the Kraken system from Epic Vehicle Outfitters. I still have the old dual ARB compressor. I've had that for about 7-8 years now. Still kicking. So I scouted out some campsites for my friend, and we're gonna head back for about probably 3 hours to the house. So overall, good trip. We had some rain. If it was nice and sunny, we would have had a better time, but I appreciate you guys following along, subscribing, giving the video a like, and I got a trip coming up in 2 weeks, and you guys will really like it because I'll get a lot of good drone footage with this trip, if the weather holds out, and the weather's gonna be a big factor in this trip. So stay tuned for that one. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button. The next video you're not gonna want to miss. And if you like this type of thing, just, see if you like one of these videos right here that YouTube suggests that you watch. One of them is gonna be mine. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye. So this one right here is for airing up, and that one right there is for airing down. And these just screw on. Well, that one screws off. But it's nice to have built-in tire deflators on the wheel. And these wheels are nice because they fit those fancy calipers. And they're the same size in the back.